Okay, so what have I been up to lately? Lately I've been up to frying chips. And I don't mean frying potato chips, we're talking about frying these kind of chips. These little guys are expensive. These are not too expensive, the little ones. I've already fried two of those. This is the second one. And these are a little more expensive. These are the LM339s. These are quad comparators, the fast comparators. These are the 555s, and I already fried two of those. And fried one of these, and that was this one right over here, and that's the last one I have of those. So if I want more, I'm going to have to buy them. And I fried two of these guys down here so far. This is one of them. So, alright, how did that happen? Well, it's the high voltage. I'm over here working on this stuff. Of course, the last time we cranked this up, there were only 4 of these. Now I've got 8 of them, and we're around 4,000 volts. And this one kicked it up around 9,500, almost 10,000 volts. And I was measuring it off of this guy right here, using this 1 giga-ohm resistor. Not a mega-ohm, a giga-ohm. And then I took the output voltage and I put it onto this green wire right here and hooked it up to this 12,000 volt capacitor. So this 12,000 volt capacitor, it basically stores voltage. And also there's about 465 mega ohm resistor right here. So it's half a gig and a 5K over here. But some strange reason when I had this plugged in, it was arcing across. I mean, I was sitting there seeing, and it's going, and all of a sudden everything would be working, and all of a sudden, boop, it burned out. And then once it was working, I replaced one of these guys here, this one probably. And then I pulled this off while it was working, and it started arcing against this resistor right here. Like arcing, I had a little arc, like a spark plug, like that, and it's like, okay, this is around 10,000 volts, why isn't it, shocking me? So I just let go of it. I'm like, good God, and the only reason it didn't shock me was because I wasn't grounded. I was just holding this wire here. If I'd been holding something else with my other hand, this would have gone through me. It easily was jumping across, not to the edges, but down to the center of this resistor right here. It's just arcing across. So it arced for about a few seconds, and then it stopped. Of course, when it stopped, that's when this chip was broken. So that was about $1.50 a pop. So I'm frying chips, and I'm guessing that the reason is because this configuration, this is all on, these are separate boards here, but I think I need to make use of the transformer coupling and separate the high voltage area from the low voltage. This is all low voltage, nothing more than 12 volts over here. And this is all high voltage. And I definitely have to, I think, isolate, this is here's the transformer that isolates the low voltage side from the high voltage side. Technically it's 100 volts, actually nothing over here is more than 12 volts, but this over here is 100 volts, but it's on this side. So really I need to get these low voltage stuff away from this high voltage stuff. So then I don't want to rebuild all this, but I think I can probably take this part apart. Now just get this high voltage stuff off of this, because it's definitely reaching across, it's grabbing, and it's shorting out these chips over here. Okay, so how do you prevent frying chips is the main thing is just take the high voltage stuff off. I've completely redesigned this board since the last time I've looked at this, and I've removed all of these inductors. They don't really do anything, and they cost a lot of money. It took me a little bit more analysis to realize that. Also, instead of two-sided ladder, we're just going to have one-sided ladder. So just one of these chips instead of two. And so just one of these strings instead of two. Now, there will be a positive string, and then like maybe a negative string, so two different, there might still be two different chips, but the negative and the positive string positive string to get the voltage high and the negative string to bring the voltage back down. So it's one thing that's kind of hard to do. Anyway, so that's how we fixed. We're going to stop prying chips. Although 20 kilovolts is going to be right next to all this. Thanks for watching my program. If you like my videos, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.